I present my demonstration by saluting the invisible power that resides in the world. The topic, my name is Tushar Sunil Duff, branch electrical engineering, and my roll number is 453, year second year. The topic name, the topic name of my presentation: semiconductor, gallium arsenide, and binary compounds. Basically the semiconductor is the mostly used in a electronic industry, but uh, to gallium arsenide is a binary compound, the mixture of the gallium and arsenides, and therefore the top we I presenting these topics, and thanks to um, sir to giving me this chance to present these topics. And the number of solid state devices have come into use in the last several decades using a semiconductor crystal. The field of electronics has been revolutionized since the discovery of transistor in 1948. The Fraley vacuum tubes have now been largely replaced by solid state diodes and triodes. This technological progress has been in a large measure due to improved techniques in the preparation, purification, and characterization of the raw materials needed to make the solid state devices. This helps to make our product efficiently. Here, structure of a gallium arsenide. Here in that PPT, we you can see the structure of gallium arsenide compound, and the gallium is the N type semiconductor, and arsenide is a P type semiconductor. The electronic configuration is given here. Gallium is equal to argon 3d10 as2 4p1, and is arsenic is equal to argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. The gallium arsenide has a 6 times higher electron mobility than silicon, which allow faster operation, wider band gap, which allows the operation of power devices at a higher temperatures and gives lower thermal noise to low power devices at a room temperature. Its direct band gap gives it more favorable optoelectronics properties than the indirect band gap of silicon. Here is the shown. This is the brief expression. This is the gallium arsenide structure. Specification of compounds: chemical formula gallium GAS, molar mass 144.645 gram per mole, appearance gray crystals, order garlic like vein motion, density 5.31760 gram per centimeter cube, melting point 1238 degrees Celsius, solubility in water insoluble. This molecule is insoluble in water, solubility soluble in a HCl, insoluble, and the insoluble in ethanol, methanol, acetone, etc. The gallium arsenide is a fifth direct band gap semiconductor with a zinc blende crystal structure. Gallium arsenide is used in the manufacture of devices such as a microwave frequency integrated circuit, monolithic microwave integrated circuit, infrared light emitting diode, laser diodes, solar cells, and optical windows. This is the widely used material in the electronic industry. So briefly, this is the molecular structure of the cubic structure of this molecule. Gallium arsenide is often used as a substrate material for the epitaxial growth or other fifth semiconductors, including indium gallium arsenide, aluminum gallium arsenide, and others. This is the example of gallium arsenide. Here shown gallium arsenide structure. More gallium than arsenic makes p-type semiconductors, and more arsenic than gallium makes n-type semiconductor. Here is the construction of this. The various example: gallium arsenide can be used for various transistor types. MOSFET. Basically MOSFET is abbreviation is metal semiconductor field effect transistor, HEMT. Second one HEMT, high electron mobility transistor. Third one JFT, junction field effect transistor. HBT, heterojunction bipolar transition HBT. For fifth one, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor MOSFET. This is the examples of using example of gallium arsenide use this material for making this semiconductor device. The advantage of this binary compound gallium mostly specifically advantages of gallium arsenide. Some electronic properties of gallium arsenide are superior to those of silicon. It has a higher saturated electron velocity and higher electron mobility, allowing gallium arsenide transistor to function at a frequencies in excess of 250 GHz. The frequency is this point is very important for this phenomena. The gallium arsenide transistor to function at a frequencies in excess 250 GHz. It means gallium arsenide devices are relatively insensitive to overheating, owing to their wider energy band gap, and they also tends to create a less noise. So next one, band gap energy versus lattice constant diagram for third, fifth semiconductor alloys. The black solid line. This is the band gap energy versus lattice constant. Here you can show gallium arsenide binary compound or any other or many other alloys are present here, compounds. So you can this distance between band gap energy. Here you can show the band gap energy 1.5 electron volt and the lattice constant is 0.56 is it is greater than 0.56, means the graph is shown accurate. You can see this graph. In electronics, a wafer, also called as a slice or substrate, is a thin slice of semiconductor such as a crystalline silicon used for the fabrication of integrated circuits and in a photovoltaics. To manufacture solar cells, the wafer serves as a substrate for a microelectronic device built upon the wafer. It undergoes many micro fabrications process such as the doping, ion implantation, etching, thin film deposition of various materials, and photolithographic patterning. Finally, the individual microcircuits are separated by the wafer dissing and packages as integrated circuit. This is the gallium arsenide wafer, and here is the structure is shown by 3D actual structure. It means, sorry for miscommunication. This is the structure is given semi insulating gallium arsenide is substrate. Then after buffer layer, gate layer in positive, and this is shown here, and this gate contact, source contact, and his contact metal, drain contact is given. So this is the gallium arsenide phase diagram. Here you can show it is the temperature between. This is the temperature. This is the gallium arsenide phase diagram, temperature or temperature. Here you can show gallium arsenide solid, gallium arsenide liquid, or gallium arsenide solid plus gallium solid, gallium liquid plus arsenide. Here you can show various types of compound we can found. This is the presentation, and giving me this opportunity. Thanks to all faculty or sir. Thank you very much.